Hello everybody, thanks for joining me for my after Christmas cleanup time. I'm making myself a giant cup of coffee so I can get the energy that it's going to take to get my house tidied up. Okay, we are going to start outside. I'm going to take in my little Christmas tree and then take my little wreath down. I'm going to remove this garland from my table, and then also there's a little Christmas plate underneath this pot that I'm going to remove. And I want to show you this little friend that I found. This tiny tree frog was hiding under that plate. I have hand washed and dried the china, and so we're going to put that away first. Now I'm ready to clean off the rest of the dining room table and wash the tablecloth. It's time now to get this room back to normal, so I'm going to take off all of the Christmas decorations that I put over the pictures. This is actually a wall of my daughter's artwork, and I just covered it for Christmas just to make the room look extra festive. So I'm going to take all that down, and her artwork will be displayed once again. Now that that wall is all done, I am going to move on over here to my chandelier and remove all of the Christmas decorations from that. Now I'm going to take this wreath down and take the decorations off of my wonderful pink tree that I love and adore, and then I will clean off this table. It's going to take me a few tries to figure out just where I want to put things. I couldn't get this picture to hang, so I went and got a twisty tie and put it on the back, and then it was much easier to hang the picture then. Like I mentioned before, this is artwork that my daughter has created, and I think she is just such a wonderful talent. So I'm going to take a minute and show it off to all of you. Goodbye, stocking art. Hello, Paris. Just when I think I'm getting a handle on things, I look into my living room and this is what I see. I need more coffee. It's time to remove the gift wrap from these pictures and get this room looking back to normal as well. Little by little, I'm getting there. Now it's time for me to clean off this table. Just when you thought this room was clean, I've got to do the other side. Finally, I get to mop the floors. You can see I didn't take my big Christmas tree down. I'll probably leave that up until after New Year's. Well, my home looks much better now, and I feel pretty good about that. I hope you have enjoyed my cleanup video. Maybe I've given you some motivation. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.